Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you Japan Airlines Business Class from Hawaii, Honolulu to Kansai in Japan, which is near Kyoto. And also from Haneda back to Hawaii or Honolulu on Japan Airlines Business Class. So come join me. We'll go through the whole gamut. It's still one of my favorite airlines and you can see why. So we started at Honolulu Airport. This is Japan Airlines Sky Suite 3 on their 787. It's similar to One World business class seats with different carriers. I personally prefer the old Sky Suite. It has more space. Let's check out the Amenity Kit. It's pretty basic, but one thing I wish they use a bag where you could reuse it for something else. As for the legroom, it's pretty spacious for sleeping. The menu, great champagne and wine list for business class, and for dinner and lunch, you have a Japanese versus Western option. Now, taking off from Hawaii never gets old. Look at these views. If you sit on the right hand side, you'll get these views. If you sit on the left hand side, you'll get the city views and Diamond Head views. I will say Japan Airlines business class meal, their Japanese meal, is probably my favorite business class flight meal throughout the world. And my wife got the American meal, which has a beef fillet and lobster. And finished the meal with simple cake. As for footwell space, plenty. This is row 1. The pre-arrival meal is a katsu sandwich, but you could get the udon at any time. And of course, pineapple sorbet comes from Hawaii to finish it off. And now we're here in Japan. Kansai Airport overall is on the smaller side, it's modern and easy to navigate. Next up is Haneda's Japan Airlines First Class Lounge. If you're a One World Emerald, you have access. You have a la carte food, which are all delicious, variety. You scan a QR code, you can order through the app. Definitely take advantage of the massage chairs. Upstairs, there's a separate bar, which was uncrowded, as you can see here, but there's no food. So if you want a quiet space, the upstairs location is the place to be. The hallways are gorgeous. And the next flight is Haneda back to Honolulu. So the seats are the exact same as our flight over. And of course, I got Japanese meal, delicious again. And finished off with a matcha pudding. And here's the Western meal on the same flight. Japan Airlines offers a solid business class product with great service and great Japanese meals. If you're from the West Coast, I highly recommend using American Airlines points to book it. That's the cheapest route. Hopefully you enjoy this. Click and subscribe. Thank you so much.